Hey friends, welcome to 1-2 Tutor Me, where stories sparkle, learning is fun, and you are the star. Let's jump into the adventure. Hello guys, today we're going to be reading Rainy Days. Chapter 1, The Pitter-Patter Morning. Jenny woke up to the soft sound of raindrops tapping against her window. She peeked outside to see gray clouds and puddles forming on the street. "Oh no," she sighed. "It's going to be a rainy day." Chapter 2, The Blanket Fort Adventure. Determined to make the best of it, Jenny decided to build a cozy blanket fort in the living room. She gathered pillows, blankets, twinkly fairy lights to create her own magical hideaway. Chapter 3, Storytime and Snacks. Inside her fort, Jenny curled up with her favorite storybook. She munched on chocolate chip cookies and sipped warm milk, listening to the rain gently falling outside. Chapter 4, The Puzzle Challenge. After finishing her book, Jenny found a colorful jigsaw puzzle. She spread it out on the floor and carefully pieced it together to create a beautiful picture. Chapter 5, Art and Imagination. Jenny put out her box of crayons and paper. She drew bright rainbows, colorful flowers, and even a happy little frog jumping in a puddle. Chapter 6, The Indoor Obstacle Course. Feeling energetic, Jenny created an obstacle course using cushions, chairs, and hula hoops. She raced through the course, giggling as she timed herself to beat her own record. Chapter 7, Musical Moments. Jenny turned on her favorite music and danced around the living room. She spun, twirled, and tapped her feet to the cheerful beat, enjoying her own rainy day performance. Chapter 8, Rainy Day Science. Curious about the rain, Jenny decided to try a new science experiment. She filled a jar with water, added shaving cream on top, and dripped blue food coloring to watch it rain inside the jar. Chapter 9, Cozy Movie Time. With the afternoon fading, Jenny picked out a classic animated movie. She snuggled under her favorite blanket and enjoyed a bowl of buttery popcorn. Chapter 10, Dreamy Good Night. As the rain slowed and the sky darkened, Jenny climbed into her bed. "Rainy days aren't so bad after all," she whispered, closing her eyes and drifting off to sleep, dreaming of the fun adventures she had indoors. The end. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Bye!